Hello students. So in this semester, you are going to study two mathematics papers and I am going to deal one of the mathematics paper, that is real analysis. Okay. So coming to the syllabus, so we are having 5 units of syllabus. So in first unit, so we are going to study about the sequences. So in sequences, we will study definition of a sequence first of all. After that, range of a sequence. Of course, what is a subsequence? After that, so we will know how can we represent a sequence in different ways. It means representation of sequence in different ways. And after that, we will know about the limit of a sequence. How can we find the limit for a sequence? So after that, we will do some problems on limits with the help of some standard theorems, and those are sandwich theorem. One is sandwich theorem, and the second one is Cauchy's first theorem, of course Cauchy's second theorem. All these theorems will help us to find the limit of a sequence. Okay, so with the help of these standard theorems, of course we will also prove those theorems, and with the help of those theorems we will evaluate limit of a sequence. Okay, so all these comes under unit 1, that is about sequences. Okay, so on coming to the second unit, in second unit, the title is infinite series. So here also, so we will define first that what is the definition of a series, and after that, so we will learn how can we say that the series is convergent or divergent. Okay, so first, according to the definition, we will define when will we say that the series is convergent according to the definition. After that, so we will define some tests, so to tell whether the series is convergent or divergent. So coming to the tests, the first one is limit comparison test. So by using this test, we can say that whether the series is convergent or divergent. And after that, D'Alembert's ratio test, simply ratio test. Okay. Next, third one is Cauchy's nth root test. So generally, these three tests can be used to say the series is convergent or divergent. After that, so we will define the alternating series. So what is meant by alternating series? Means series is nothing but sum of elements. Alternating series means if you are having alternatively positive and negative, so then we say that series is an alternating series. So for those kind of series also, we can say that particular series is convergent or divergent. So in order to say the alternating series convergent or divergent, so we will use the test Leibniz test. So the Leibniz test is the test used to say whether the given alternating series is convergent or divergent. Okay, after that, so we will learn one important topic in unit 2, that is absolutely convergent and conditionally convergent. So these are the concepts we will cover in infinite series. Okay, so right, next coming to the third unit. In third unit, we will learn about the limits and continuity. Yes, how to evaluate limit of a function, and how will you say that the continuity, definition of continuity of a function, and of course in limit notation. So we will do a number of problems in third unit based on the concepts of limits and of course on continuity. Okay, and also some of the theorems, some of the standard theorems in continuous. So this is all about unit 3. And whereas in unit 4, yes, this is very, very important unit. So differentiation. So in unit 3, we will learn about the limits and continuity. And of course, with the help of limits only, we will define the continuity. With the limit concept, we will define the continuity concept. And once again, with the help of limit concept only, we will do problems on differentiation. With the help of limit concept only, we will do problems in differentiation. And of course, here we will learn some of the mean value theorems. Mean value theorems. The first one is Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, and Cauchy's mean value theorem. And of course, applications. See, here applications is nothing but problems. So we will prove all these theorems. In addition to these theorems, we will also do the problems related to these three theorems. So, and these are very, very important theorems in examination point of view also. Definitely Rolle's, Lagrange's, and Cauchy's mean value theorem. Any one of the three theorems will appear in every time in the question paper. Okay, so right. So this is about a differentiation. And coming to the fifth unit, that is a Riemann integration. So completely different from all the 4 units. So here also we will learn basic definitions of definitions in Riemann integration. What is upper Riemann sum? What is lower Riemann sum? And of course, upper Riemann integral, lower Riemann integral, and how can you say that? So the f is Riemann integrable, and the different theorems we are having to say that f is Riemann integrable function. So all these theorems will come under Riemann integration, and of course we are also having some of the problems in Riemann integration. So that is unit number 5, and we are going to these are all the student activities which are to be conducted in the classroom. Of course, co-curricular activities and web links. Here web links are useful for you to look after the materials regarding our subject. Okay, these are the web links provided to you regarding our syllabus. And coming to the textbooks, so generally we will follow the S Chand prescribed textbook, that is BVSS Sharma and S Anjanelu, N Krishnamurthy, S Chand publications. So this is generally we will follow as a prescribed book, of course. So we will also follow Deepthi publications, Dr. A Anjanelu. Okay, right. So coming to our model paper, like as in 4th semester, so in 5th semester also we are having 2 sections, and of course 75 marks. We are going to write our cement exam for 75 marks, and we are having 2 sections, and the first section is short answers. So we have given 8 questions, and you have to write any 5 answers. So 5 is 25, and in section B we are having internal choice. 5 questions will be given in 5 units, and we are having internal choice. Okay, so this is our syllabus copy, of course, with the model paper. Okay, right. So from next class onwards, we are going to start our syllabus, that is sequences. Okay, right. I will forward the syllabus copy to our WhatsApp group. So all of you please note down the syllabus first, and from the next class onwards, we will start our syllabus. Right. Thank you.